Good morning, students. This is chemistry period, and today we have to learn about the homologous series. So, first of all, what is mean by homologous series? So, before that, we have already learned that the carbon chain, that is, the carbon atom are linked together. The carbon atom are linked together and forming a chain, okay, with a varying number, with varying numbers. It may be complex chain, it may be complex chain, it may be branch chain. With the help of carbon atom we can form the simple chain or branch chain, okay. So here today we have to learn about the homologous series. Homologous series means what? Homologous series is a homologous series is a group of carbon compounds having similar structures, similar chemical properties, okay. Group of carbon compounds having similar structures, similar chemical properties, and whose successive members differ by CH2 group, okay. The different, like we take example here, methane, ethane, propane, butane. So here each of these are differ from with each other by the group only CH2. सभी मीथेन, इथेन, प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन, पेंटेन जो है वो CH2 ग्रुप से हम उसे एक डिफरेंट कर सकते, ओके. So see the carbon atom, the chain of the carbon atom. If we replaced any, if we take the chain like this, okay, with the hydrogen, simply we take example here. So here we replace this of the any of hydrogen atom with the any functional group. Like we take the example here OH, that is a alcohol group, phenol group, okay. We replace this hydrogen atom with this OH group, that is a alcohol group. Then if we do the same with methane, ethane, propane, उसमें से हम एक हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करेंगे सभी का, मीथेन का, इथेन का, प्रोपेन का, एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस करेंगे विद द नेक्स्ट फंक्शनल ग्रुप, दैट इज OH, that is alcohol group, okay. So the properties all bearing, that is the properties of methane, ethane, propane, butane are all having the same properties, okay. If there is formula are different, formula उनका different रहेगा, but the properties they bearing same, okay. Like one more time we take a definition of this homologous series. Homologous series means what? Homologous series is a group of carbon compound having similar structures, similar chemical properties, and whose successive members differ by CH2 group. If we know that here first example is alkanes. Alkanes means this the basic formula for alkane I have already explained this, okay. CnH2n+2 ये जो है बेसिक फॉर्मूला है अल्केन्स का. इफ वी टेक फॉर मीथेन, सो हियर Cn उसमें एक ही होगा, H2n1+2, फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा CH4, ओके. दैट इज इट इज अ फॉर्मूला फॉर मीथेन. So methane is differ from ethane by only group, that is a CH2. But how it is possible? We take C. In the formula of methane there is a CH4, in the formula of ethane there is a C2H6. Only the difference is in ethane there is only extra CH2, बस उसमें CH2 ही extra है. that is we can differentiate the alkanes, we can differentiate the every alkanes with each other by CH2. अगर हम दूसरा एग्जाम्पल लें that is इथेन एंड प्रोपेन का, if we take the next example that is ethane and propane, here is also same, the extra group is CH2 because the formula for ethane C2H6, formula for propane is C3H8, एक्स्ट्रा जो है प्रोपेन में वो CH2 ही है, सो हम डिफरेंस निकाल सकते हैं सभी का CH2 ग्रुप से. ओके, सो मीथेन, नेक्स्ट इज अ मीथेन. So it is a structure for methane, as you all know, it is a common structure for methane. Now here is the next structure for ethane दिया हुआ है and structure for propane. There is 3 carbon atom and remaining are hydrogen atom. Okay, they are all alkanes having the single bond. alkane में सभी में single bond होता है. ओके, अगर डबल बॉन्ड होगा तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, अल्कीन्स, या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा तो अल्काइंस हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट अल्कीन्स. नेक्स्ट मीन्स क्या, अल्कीन्स. सी, अल्कीन्स हैव द जनरल फॉर्मूला CnH2n. अगर इसको हम मीथेन के लिए ले, दैट इज इफ वी टेक कार्बन ओनली वन, सो व्हाट विल द फॉर्मूला, C1H2 into 1, that is CH2. CH2. It is a methane. It is methane. इसमें क्या होगा, डबल बॉन्ड. CH4 मीथेन में सिंगल बॉन्ड होता है, वो अल्केन का फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. एंड अल्कीन्स में अगर मीथेन को लेंगे हम तो उसका हो जाएगा मीथीन, और वहाँ पे आ जाएगा डबल बॉन्ड. ओके, now next, see, alkenes have general formula that is CnH2n. okay, their name end with en. prefix क्या होता है alkanes का, alkanes का prefix होता है ane, and the prefix for alkene it is ene. This is very important. okay, now see the examples. ethene, the formula for ethene C2H4. C, the basic formula जो है वो CnH2n है. okay, here we take n is equal to 2, that is C2H2 into 2, that is a C2H4. see, this is a basic this is a formula for ethene, and it is having the double bond. okay, in ethane only single bond is present, but in case of ethene, which is a group of alkene, having the double bond. okay, it having the double bond. now next जो है वो propane. same we take the common formula CnH2n, and इसमें हम 3 लेंगे तो C3H2 into 3, C3H6, which is a formula for propane, and having the double bond. okay, now same for all this butene and pentene. example, see the example for ethene. see, there is a double bond between carbon atom because it is a group of alkenes. ये अल्कीन का ग्रुप है इसलिए इसमें डबल बॉन्ड है. ओके, वी काउंट 1 2 3 4. कार्बन की वैलेंसी कितनी होती है, 4, तो इट फॉर्मिंग द 4 बॉन्ड विद द नेक्स्ट एटम. it may be hydrogen, it may be carbon, so it forming 2 bonds, single bond with hydrogen atom and 1 double bond with next carbon atom. okay, got it? so it is a group of alkene. next we take the example propene. see, C double bond C, single bond C. okay, now here H, here H. okay, here also H and H. here H, we take this much of this way also. okay, here is a double bond, so carbon की वैलेंसी कितनी होती है, 4, so 1 2 3 4. okay, got it? here is also 1 2 3 and here 4. okay, so this is all about this homologous series. This is all about the homologous series. Now here we completed our lesson number 4, that is carbon and its compound. Now in next class we will start our lesson number last lesson, that is periodic table. Okay, only one lesson is remaining. So this is our fourth lesson is completed here. If you have any doubts regarding up to this, that is first, second, third, fourth lesson, so you can ask me. So here we stop. In next class we will start our last lesson.